Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, back with me Fadia Rizky Salma Mevia and my student number is 1. So guys, in this video I will present about summary of Icon Host 2024 with the topic is the green tourism for the sustainability of community-based tourism. Okay guys, here I will explain the summary one by one from the three speakers. The first was from Dr. Professor Hanafi Hamzah from Malaysia with the topic of hospitality and tourism case studies. In this topic, Professor Hanafi discusses about Environmental Management System or EMS. So the first one is definition about EMS. EMS is a tool or an innovation implemented in a company that focuses on reducing negative impacts to the environment. And the importance of knowledge about EMS for all stakeholders is to make a positive contribution to the emergence of a more responsible attitude and closer collaboration between stakeholders to minimize problems environment. And next is the importance of EMS studies for stakeholders' interests. The first one for academics is to gain a better perspective on environmental issues. Second, for government or policymakers to develop policies and increasing organizational sustainability in the years to come. Third, for a tourism practitioner to understand the global market in terms of differences in practice and effective environmental practices. Fourth, for hospitality practitioner to understand the global market in terms of differences in practice and effective environmental practices. And next is the realities and obstacles to implementing EMS in Malaysia. Number one is the effectiveness and application of EMS in the hotel industry is still very small. The majority of companies the hotel industry in Malaysia is a small and medium enterprise or SME. Number three is financial. Number four is concern of hotel managers and owners about short-term profits. Number five is low demand from customers. Number six is lack of government regulations. Number seven is managers' perception and awareness of environmental protection. Okay, the last is suggestions for case studies. The first one is strategies such as training, certification, terms, and regulations set by government must be adapted to the needs and desires of consumers and competitors. Number two is SMEs must be positioned as the main company for industrial interest, society, environment, and country. Number is it is time for SMEs to not depend on government regulations powerful. Okay, the second was from Professor Ung Viasna from Cambodia with the topic of green tourism for sustainable tourism-based communities in Cambodia. And in this topic, Professor Ong Viasna discusses about the important role of green tourism in Cambodia. The first one is environmentally friendly practices such as minimizing water, saving water, and reduce carbon footprint. Number two is renewable energy such as utilization of solar and wind power as electricity generation. Number three is protection endangered species such as the Siamese crocodile, and the Asian elephant. And the last is of Cambodian cultural heritage, such as Angkor Wat. And next is the role of community-based tourism in Cambodia's development. The first one is create jobs and increase local income. Number two is preserve and promote cultural heritage. And the last is improve sustainable tourism practices. Okay, the third was from Dr. Bambang Supriyadi from University of Merdeka Malang with the topic of affinity theory-based destination attributes and environmental approach. Okay, in this topic, Dr. Bambang discussed about affinity theory and environmental approach. The first is definition of affinity theory and environmental approach. Affinity theory is a concept that explains a person's tendency to choose tourist destinations or activities based on similarities, interests, or emotional, cultural, social, or certain values. And the environmental approach in tourism is a concept that emphasizes the importance of considering the impact of tourism activities on the natural and socio-cultural environment in tourist destination. And next is efforts that can be made to supporting green tourism through affinity theory and an environmental approach. The first one is reducing waste, implementing bicycle lanes and efficient electric transportation, installing appropriate waste disposal sites, managing and recycling waste, cleaning of tourism infrastructure, and the last is efficient water management. Okay guys, I think that's all for my presentation. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.